Materials required: empty egg tray, hardboard, adhesive, white card sheet, paper knife, brushes, scissors, mirror, pencil, scale, brown and golden fabric colors. First, take an egg tray and cut out rows from it using scissors. Now, slowly cut out each egg hollow from the rows, just like we are doing here. Once you have separated the egg hollows, make V-shape cuts in each of the egg hollow to form the shape of flower petals carefully. Next, take a hardboard measuring 13 inches by 13 inches and paint it using brown fabric color. Let the paint dry for some time. Now, paste one egg cutout at a corner using adhesive. Similarly, arrange and paste more cutouts on this hardboard to make a border. Now, take some golden fabric color and paint the flowers on the rim of the board using this color. Next, apply some adhesive at the back of the mirror and paste the mirror in the center. Now, cut a square piece of white card sheet measuring 6 inches by 6 inches. Next, cut the inside of this card sheet measuring the mirror to form a border for the mirror. Paste the white card sheet border on the mirror, and this way your decorative mirror is complete. Doesn't it look beautiful?